Hi you guys! I am about to embark on a room upgrade. So something that we've done in the past with our daughters is upgrade their room, their birthday. It's a fun way for them to get something new and exciting, and also for us to incorporate the cost of it into a birthday gift. Since my youngest has turned 5, her nursery is being transformed into a big girl room. I have a couple of walls to paint, and I got a new comforter for her, and I have the mattress that I ordered from Amazon. I have 3 daughters, so I am no stranger to a good room change up. So I thought I would film this for you over the next couple of days and see what you think. So come along with me. As I was scrolling through Facebook this morning, I realized that 9 years ago on this day, I was transforming the exact same room from a nursery into a princess room at the time. So 'tis the season, I guess, around here for room transformations. So while I'm waiting for my daughter to wake up, I'll go ahead and put some before and after pics of some of the other rooms I've done in my house through the years. Okay, so my daughter just woke up, and I know her room has been in a couple of other videos that I've done. I got the stuffed animal net taken down last night. There's usually one in each of these corners. The green is being painted, and then on this side, the green is being painted. And we're gonna get rid of the baby bed, or the toddler bed as it is now. I guess we're gonna get started. So remember, I mentioned that I took the stuffed animal nets down, and here's where they are. So I needed to put the drop cloth down. I am planning on having a little helper for a little bit today, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. Good job.
I'm gonna put a pie or jump. I'm gonna jump so I can try to eat the pie.
Hey, don't splash your paint on anything.
I got it too high.
Good job.
I want to fix the bottom a little bit over there.
Where? Over here?
Yeah.
It's all done. Do you want to roller a little bit over there?
Yeah.
Okay. I got this.
I want to open myself.
Okay. Give me the brush.
I'm going to do all by myself.
Now remember, you have to kind of press hard. You can go wherever you want with it. Get closer to the wall. There you go. You just need to step on that paint.
Thank you.
Okay, well then let me help you. It's real heavy. I'll kind of help you get started. Is that okay? Get real close to the wall.
Now it's
We took a quick break for lunch and now we're back at it. I am all finished with the second coat on that wall. Cutting in on corners is more difficult than you would think. So anyway, I have just enough paint in this first gallon to go over to this other wall. I took the shelf down and kind of filled in a few of the nail holes. I'll turn around here and so you can see. I'm gonna take off the plate covers, take the mirror down and kind of just touch up and then cut in where I can because I have another gallon coming. And so let's get started on this other half of the wall. You can see we are making progress and she's practicing with a small brush her letters and numbers, having fun. But I just have this little bit left that I need to roller, and then I'll probably have to do a second coat on the whole wall, so probably use about half a gallon. But very thankful for my mom coming through in a pinch and picking up the paint while she was out. So that way I didn't have to leave and I can just keep working. Okay, all finished with the second coat on this second wall. I'm letting everything dry, and then I need my husband's help getting the bed down and switching out with the other bed frame. Everything's coming together and I'm really excited, and I'm liking the way this neutral palette looks, the gray and white together. Next up, taking stuff down and putting it back up. My husband took the baby bed apart while I was gone, so I'm gonna hurry up and vacuum in here, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the bed together. Okay, it is the next day. My daughter was actually in here playing a little bit this morning. I had to make room for her with her Barbie house. She's currently in the living room playing, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some things cleaned up. I got the chair moved out of here, which was the biggest hindrance on getting things kind of put back together. And we are heading to the store after a while to get a few bins for under the bed for a little bit more storage and organization. So for now, I'm just gonna kind of move things around how I think they're gonna work the best. And then we'll get things organized a little bit later. I'm so excited because my daughter is napping right now in the chair and her mattress came. So I'm gonna get that moved back to the room and get the bed put together hopefully before she wakes up. I'm so excited. The mattress was vacuum sealed in that cylinder and now it's all ready for linens. Okay, I was able to grab a couple of these under the bed storage containers today, and I was lucky actually because they were pretty picked over with back to school. These are the perfect size for under the bed storage, so I'm sure that they're picked over for apartment and dorm living. What's going in here is Barbie dolls and Barbie doll accessories, so they'll be easily accessible under the bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making that transition now. Yes!
And it slides right out.
Perfect. Okay, it's been a couple of days. I actually have been waiting for these decals to come. They finally got here from Amazon. They took a few extra days. So I have been playing around and moving things around in a way that will work the best for my daughter. And now I have a couple of curtains to hang, and we're gonna put the decals up and put all the finishing touches on and finish up with this room update. right, well, that's a wrap. So thank you for tuning in and watching. I hope that maybe this inspired you or gave you some ideas to use in your own home. I am so happy with how it turned out, and my daughter is loving it. She's been playing in here nonstop. So I consider that a success. It took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to, but it's all finished now and we are loving the result. So thank you again. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, let me know you were here, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss another one of my videos. Bye. And we like to do that because if it's for
I really love it.